Hey, are you wondering how to use the KitchenAid bowl lift stand mixer? Or maybe you're confused about all the attachments. Well, today I got your back. We're going to talk about the attachments, how to use the KitchenAid, and how to use the different speeds and what each one is for. There are 4 attachments. First, we have the bread hook. You're going to use this one for kneading your bread dough or for making pizza crust. Next, the wire whip. You're going to use this one for making things like whipped cream or anything you want really creamy and fluffy. The flat beater. For many people, this is the workhorse of all the attachments. You'll use this for stirring and mixing. You can even use it to shred chicken or mash potatoes. But my favorite thing to make with it is cakes. And last up, the flex edge beater. This has a flexible edge, so every time it spins, it scrapes batter off of the edge of the bowl. You'll use this for things like cakes and muffins. Before using your KitchenAid, use the handle on the back side to lower the arms. Now add whatever you'd like to your bowl, and let's put it on the KitchenAid. Line up each of these holes with the pins. Once you have the bowl lined up, it's gonna feel shaky still and not very sturdy. That's totally normal. But we don't want it to stay that way. Push down on the back of the bowl to snap it into place. Now select your attachment, simply put it on and twist. Lift the bowl back up using the handle and select your speed. Hang in there with me because in just a minute, I'll go over all the different speeds and what you would use them for. If you want to use the splatter guard, which comes with the bowl lift mixer, then go ahead and put it on before you turn on the speed. I personally feel like the splatter guard is kind of a hassle to use and to clean, so I skip it all together. I just start the speed really slow and slowly increase it to what I need. Now that you have your bowl lifted and your attachment in place, go ahead and turn your KitchenAid on by moving this lever and let it work its magic. When you're done mixing, you want to lower the bowl, then you'll remove the attachment. If you try and remove the bowl with the attachment in place, you're going to spill everything all over the place. So remove the attachment by twisting, and then you can take the bowl out. To remove the bowl, grab the bowl by the handle and just lift it up. Okay, there's half speed plus 10 more speeds on this thing, so let's talk about what they all do. Your 1/2 speed or speed 1, those are very slow speeds. Those are great for folding something into a recipe. You'll also use that when you first turn on your mixer. You'll mix in the wet ingredients with the dry ones so that things don't splatter everywhere. I've made that mistake before. Speed 2, this is a slow mix, a mash, or a knead. So you'll knead some bread, you'll mash potatoes, or you'll do a slow mix with something that's maybe really thin and splashy. Speed 4, this is where you mix and beat. It's considered a medium speed for cake mixes and it's great for heavy batters. Speed 6, this is how you beat and cream. It's also considered a high speed for cake mixes. Speed 8, this is for beating and whipping. You'll use it on egg whites, meringues, whipped cream, anything you want light and fluffy. Speed 10, this is considered your fast whip. You'll use this for a finishing touch on whipped cream or maybe a finishing touch on mashed potatoes to get them extra fluffy. Now that you know how to use your KitchenAid, what are you gonna make first? My favorite thing to make is cakes. I think it's a fun way to celebrate people's birthdays and holidays. And hey, I've got a whole playlist of cake recipes for you. Go ahead and check it out.